Well, we're another episode of Opposing Cylinders here, and we're going to show you a 1963 Studebaker Avanti that is now coming for sale at OpposingCylinders.com. So let's take a look at this car pulling outside. Check out the website, OpposingCylinders.com. It's a super slick car, part of a Studebaker collection, and it's coming up for sale. So the car is super straight, runs real good. Again, you hear the Paxton supercharger on it as well. I think it's gonna be priced right. It's all blocked. The doors, you just barely shut, just click. So all the gaps are super nice on this. I have not looked underneath, but the car is supposedly just as nice underneath this as well. The engine compartment, as you can see, is all detailed. We're just gonna pull it in the grass here to get a little bit better photo shoot with it.